and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, let me show you the team message feature. What is a team message and how can it benefit you? The team message allows you to communicate internally without using a third-party platform, without having to use any other applications out there, meaning you can save a lot of money because you're going to be internally communicating with your team using the Client Dispute Manager software. Yes, you heard that right. Communicating internally, meaning to say you have now a way of announcing any important details to your employees, a way to communicate with them when it comes to the tasks that they need to accomplish, a way for your employees to seek assistance as necessary real time. So let me show you quickly how it works. From the dashboard, you can access the team message feature by clicking on Company and go to Team Messages from the drop-down menu. From here, you'll have the capability to do a couple of things. 1. Send to all. This is if you have any important announcements that you want your team to know, any memorandums that you want them to receive, or any important tasks that everybody should know about. You can simply type your message here in the text box and then click on Send. You can also just simply type your message in the text box and then hit Enter in your keyboard to send out a message. You can also send out direct messages to your team, to any of your employees. You can just simply click on their bubble chat heads here. You'll see all of your employees listed down into this section, and you'll be able to see the last message that has been sent into that specific chat box. You'll also be able to view the whole message thread itself or the history of the message itself. You'll be able to communicate directly with this specific employee. You just have to simply click their bubble chat head. Now, every time you receive a new message or any unread messages coming from your team, you'll immediately receive a notification from the notification icon right here for new team messages. Same goes for your employee. If you send them a message or if they send a message to their colleague, they'll be able to receive a pending unread message from the notification icon. And yes, your employees can also communicate with each other. Now, since your employee would be communicating with each other, it would be best if you would have transparency within the team for you to really know if they are providing assistance to each other the right way. Now, you would have full control of viewing the chat history of each of your employees so that you can see what conversations do they have amongst each other by simply going to Company, go to Employees Outsourcer screen. From here, look up the employee that you wanted to view the details and just simply click on Chat History. As soon as you do, you'll be able to see all of the chat heads of this specific employee, or meaning to say all of the conversations of this employee except the conversation between you and the employee. And all you have to do is simply select which employee you wanted to view the conversation. So you will not be able to send a message directly from here. You would only be able to view the history of their chat conversation. So that completes this quick training tutorial about the team message feature.